read the letter supposedly sent to me in the news, in the social media and other places. So I never received any letter. But I guess some institutions of government maybe received the letter. First of all, the letter must have been addressed wrongly from the beginning. I don't see, well, maybe they called it, was it an open letter or something? Maybe it was an open letter, still addressed to me, but I think it was addressed wrongly for British MPs to address a letter to me talking about justice or judicial matters in our country. I don't understand the basis. I don't see the basis. Before I even talk about the facts of the case they are talking about, I think it is wrong. And why is it wrong? There are many things one can say. I just pick one. Are you aware of a case, a case that has been ongoing? There are many cases, but one particular one that has been going on in the UK about genocidaires who have lived in the UK for over 10 years. In fact, the case has been going on for over 10 years. Maybe they've even lived there for 20 years. Where people, known, evidence provided, requests made about people who, I think they're about 4 or 5. There are 5. And the issue is, it hasn't even been that, no, these people are not guilty of anything, or that we found them. The people are accusing, you're talking about, are actually innocent people. No. It's just a game playing about, these people, you see, we can't give them to you. We even said, because your justice system is like this, we said, okay, don't give them to us. All we are asking for is justice. Here is the evidence of what these people are involved in. Try them in your courts. Then the issue says, no, our courts, our laws cannot try them. Then he said, so what do you want us to do? Then I think they went into some details about whether they can try them or not. Then they found they can't try them. So the issue is not about, are these people guilty of what they are being accused of, murdering, massacring, in a genocide, people of Rwanda or not? Because that would have been the substance. Either to find us telling lies about these cases or half-truths or what, then okay. Then one could be saying, no, but what I don't understand is the kind of justice we are talking about for these murderers, vis-a-vis the requests we have even given. So, such a people with, we are also told many times there are people supposedly who have values above other people's values, who respect the rule of law and things like that. That's fine. I want to dispute anybody's righteousness about things. If they want to be and can practice it, that's fine. So if these people were really talking about the concerns they have about justice for people, and think, don't you think the first place, these MPs should have taken their concerns is within their own system. Because if they are concerned about justice, so how about the justice for the people of Rwanda who were killed in a genocide? And the people who were part of it directly, not indirectly, directly, are sitting there in the country, and the country is, one would even say, protecting them. Because I think they have even been given, what is it? Is it residence? Is it citizenship? Or,
They have different forms of residency.
They are legally there. So, and by legally protected against. So, I would have said the people, MPs in a situation like this should have been concerned about this case that has gone on for over 10 years. I haven't had a letter written to whoever they are questioning how they are handling this case. So they find it easy, and they're entitled to writing now, not even, they haven't even written to the Attorney General, the Justice, or to their counterparts in the Parliament to say we have a concern about this. Now they are writing to the President. Well, they don't even think he's a president. They have very little regard for other countries and their leaders and institutions. That we have, again, come to get used to. We have no complaint. We live their life, we live our lives, and they can think about us the way they want. I have no problem with that. So what do you want me to say about that? But maybe I should also add, I am not aware, or I'm not sure that they are aware of even how they complicate cases of those people they seem to be trying to speak for. It really complicates their cases. I wish I could advise them quietly that that makes it even more complicated. They think they are doing good things in favor of the people they're talking about. But I think such a concerns of that nature that complicate cases even more. So I relate to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice and others concerned with that to deal with the matter. I have nothing to do about it. But for them to have been asking me to intervene or to interfere with cases like that, which, by the way, they don't do, or they don't, in fact, they accuse us many times of doing those kinds of things. It becomes a case. And now it is the same thing they are now writing the president to do. So what is the meaning of it? I don't know.